Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube video, and today I am going to tell you how you can connect your Slack account or how you can set up your Slack credentials to N8N so that you can start automating your or build your agents around Slack and N8N. So without wasting any further second, let's get started. Let's go to create workflow. Click here. Let's find first Slack. The best thing, and you can pick any trigger here. And the best thing about N8N, you get the complete documents on how you can connect and APIs like this, open docs. So what we are going to do, just go to Slack API. Here you'll find a bunch of apps. You have to go to create new app. Let's go to from scratch. App name is N8N tutorial. My workspace is this I have chosen, and then create app. Perfect. You can see this is done. I have my this client secret. I'm going to keep this here. Just going to keep it canceling for a moment. Now perfect. Let's go to install app. Permission scopes. We have to add at least 4 permissions. Now, talking about the scopes, you will find the scopes here. You can open the document provided by N8N. Scroll, and all these are the scopes. So let's just putting them here. Chat site. Add all the scopes required, because of course at some point you would be requiring files to be read, right? It's not files read. It might have discarded or discontinued for some reason. Never mind, let's add the another one. We have the next one. I prefer adding all of them beforehand so that when you are making the agents, you don't have to come back again and again to add scopes. So the next one is this. And then I can read here. Reactions, of course, would like to check at some given point. Reactions right here. Right here. And then user groups read. I guess pretty much that's how much I would like to add as of now. And yeah, that's all pretty much. And then install to work. It's done. Allow. You have got your OAuth token. Copy this. Keep it here. Save. You see, it's done. And that's how you can start using Slack. It is connected. Now you can make AI agents around Slack and using Slack. So I will be coming up with more such videos on how you can set up credentials, and then slowly how you can start making AI agents. So make sure you subscribe my channel for the same and press on the bell icon so that whenever I am posting something, you will get notified. And make sure you follow me on Instagram as well.